This is Father Daniel Ravenwolf, and it's Tuesday, election day. I hope you're all busy out there voting, and I hope that we can find a peaceful solution to all these problems we're having in today's with trying to run this country and make it great like we want it to be. All together, we can live in a country of democracy where we all can get along again. We don't have to be divided by all these political parties trying to control what we do making a living. And it's important to respect your neighbors, the laws, and not be lazy with your spending. And you must try to get a job, and it's hard to get a job when you're down on your luck, and there's millions of homeless people out there living on the streets and in the cold, and they need your help. This is Daniel Ravenwolf, and together we can make this country a better place. Amen. Have a wonderful night.